everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing my review about the Tula holiday kit that I just got. So I bought this over Black Friday and I think it was an additional 25% off everything on their site, and I've never tried Tula before and a lot of bloggers that I follow talk about it, so I've been wanting to try it for a while and I thought this was a great opportunity to try one of their holiday kits because you can get a lot more value and try a variety of products. So the one that I got is the Glow Getter set. It is $68 and it has 4 products and is supposed to be worth $122. This kit that I got is of 3 that they have, and it's the smallest one. So they also have Balance, Brighten, and Glow, and then Glow All Out as their other 2. So if you're interested, those 2 come with additional products. But since this was the first time that I was trying anything from the brand, I thought I would just go with the smallest kit, and if I liked the items in there, I can go back and get more stuff later. So it comes with a really large bag, and I'm actually really pleasantly surprised by the size of it because I can actually see myself using this to travel with. So in this kit, it comes with 4 products, and I'm gonna go over each one of them, tell you how I think about how I felt about each product, and then also if I would recommend this kit. So first we have the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser, and this was the product that I actually needed. So I just ran out of one of my face cleansers, and I like to have 2 just to alternate when I'm washing my face. So I actually was really excited to try this, and I really like this product. Like, I've been using it for 2 weeks now, and it has a really gentle feeling when you put it on your face, and it does not leave my face too dry, which is the #1 thing that I look for in a face cleanser. It really feels moisturizing, but also does clean your face. And yeah, I have to say, really do enjoy this product, and I'm really excited to keep using it. So this one was definitely a winner for me. The next item is the Star Brite Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. And this is actually interesting. So it comes as 2 parts. So it splits like the top half of your face and then the bottom half. And there's actually little stars on the mask, which I thought was really cute. And I like that they split it up because it's so much easier to put on your face. It's easier to adjust, depending on your face shape. And I thought the experience of the mask was really nice. Pretty standard, nothing too special, but also I really did like the ability of putting it on in 2 parts, so that was definitely a win for me. And yeah, this was overall a really great addition to the kit. Next we have the Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This is actually the product that I was most excited to try. Yeah, it's something that I've been hearing everyone talk about, and I thought the packaging is just so cute. I love the color of the pink. So I have used it a few times, and it did leave a nice cooling sensation under my eye. I think it is, in terms of the sensation was really great. I'm not sure if it did too much for me in terms of helping with my eye makeup. I don't have any noticeable, lines or dark circles or anything, so I'm not necessarily the best candidate to talk about the effectiveness, but I do think it's nice, and I'll probably keep using it, and definitely something, worth trying, and, didn't irritate my eyes or anything, and did feel nice when I put it on. So I'm looking forward to keep using this, and I'll give you guys an update if, my thoughts on it change in the future. Last, we have this Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. So I've also used this a few times, and I did notice it did help my makeup, stay on pretty long in terms of, not looking cakey after a few hours, and the texture of my skin is pretty nice after using this. I'm not sure if it's, anything super special, like if you have a good primer that you already use. I don't know if it's necessarily, something that you need to try out and get, but I do like that the packaging is a push cap. So, in terms of traveling and also just being more hygienic, I do like the packaging on this. And since it is smaller, I'm probably gonna use it a lot when I travel. So it is nice to have, just a smaller size of this if you get it in the kit. And yeah, overall, I think it's a solid product, and I'm definitely gonna keep using it. Also, I did want to mention that the kit comes with 2 of the hydrogel masks, but I had to try one before I filmed this video. So yeah, when you get the kit, it will come with 2. So I have 1 left. But thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you are looking to get the kit, I really would recommend it. I think there's a lot of solid products in there that represent their line pretty well, and I did like everything I tried, so I'm definitely going to be interested in trying more Tula products later down the line. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please let me know in the comments below if you've tried anything from Tula or if there's anything that you're looking to try, and I will be back next time with another video.